Hello, I'm Jake Sawyer, and this is my final project interest. So for my final project, I would like to do something around 3D modeling, as you could create anything you want, and you could just be as creative as you want, and like the possibilities are limitless. You could easily change design, so if you want to change like a little part of your piece, you don't have to completely restart or anything like that. And you could also upload your models to 3D printers and collaborate with others. So what I want to achieve in this project would be to create a realistic 3D model that would solve some kind of actual real life problem, create multiple different designs to help solve those problems, and just become more comfortable with Onshape and the whole 3D modeling process. And then what I would do for the collaboration is we would both work on the abstract, split work for the hand-drawn sketches and other parts of that, each create a 3D model, and then maybe work on one final design together, which would be like a summary of all the things we've learned from our research. And then I just want someone who does not like procrastinate to the very last minute. And then also I have one project idea could be to continue with the next gen iPhone design and like optimize your research and fully design two new iPhone models and possibly collaborate to combine our two to create a even better iPhone model and to fully create both models in Onshape to like to scale with all the right measurements. But I would also be open to doing other things using the 3D modeling. Thank you.